a few people no more so no match shemra no chin na o de o pa drive na yes small mistake be see as an ordinary person ye be chew ama waso ye hye obi o wosoro ho be ye wesa situation mistake eno so ono be famako ba ho kwa buruchi omo ho no omo make sure say mra no deal with obi a nti ye hye mra ye hwe omamufo na ye da hye mra no ye nkohwe the elite no nko a nti say your constitution review committee bi a ekoso a omo ntras dam nko a na omo gaza omo di omo nim dia ewo constitution mu ye they must go down there and go and interview people no munya amount for understanding no omo for intimate draft whatever they are drafted by they will sit in the office there na still na amount for menya access to them the same politicians na omo na omo hye no ma e favor omo no omo na ye omo nanfofo nti omo nsem bi omo ka no mejije mu every day no it will not do any good to the society. Ghana ha no your constitution no eboa the elite omo aye say omo ko school no omo wosoro ho no omo na constitution no bo omo because obi ekoko wi abode abode ekoko to no market e bi kure 2000 Ghana cedis
sure
sa abode no wi ya no obetimi akọ jail bi a 6 months na yedi asam na acha be 2 weeks no madi awi be 2 weeks bi yedi asam na wi na jail ni pan but obi o elite panyimu bi o wosoro ho a di millions of Ghana cedis no ibetimi a drag asam na 6-8 years na bibia mfirimu mai nti on say constitution no omo hyehye no omo hu say ade na ye hyehye no ye hya mo man ne de be say benefit yen nti say constitution pa de betumi ayeden atimi aboa ama oman no mufo obi atimi a benefit ya as say ye ma obi a kwan every institution bia to say kuafo nyina nsemmrem ti be call farm communities no nkonko gigi kuafo mo nso mbeka ni twika se man local languages no ye ntra na ye fan kobrofo ne ye fan kan agye because as article 71 so here omo yes article 71 omo je ho as gracia ne nko ne ba kakra bi as compared to the whole citizens of Ghana.
Sure.
But the kakra bi omo nya sa benefit or pa kwa abontin se see na koye survey na bi se Ghana for ahe and support to say article 71 enya juma. Trust me, endru 2%. But and I'm saying the elite, they know so one day they will get there, it will benefit them. So they don't give so much, care about it. And say to me a crazy executive in the door. So your constitution and Kasana Munsam no me say that doesn't make sense. Yeah, say be the elite in the benefit. But
Nana say who share a chief justice. And now say the judiciary. Now Oman and also power a chief justice Edimo Minor. Nana
sa no many nyina very good. For instance, say even police IGP
money
say and nyina say enu kwan say executive na be choose because say one say mekan bia say obi tua wo car say nipa no edin so ebibu ga betimi aka even though say wadwuma wo ye na o say tua wo car there obi otua wo car bia no somehow the person controls you nti IGP no say the position e kura no e ya ban no na betimi agye free din some at any time. Trust me, we are very careful so onya ade nkuti oban na so say the be ya ye betimi apam na free ho.
Sure.
Nti say ade ambra na betimi na so some of the institutions say bia okọ police service na obi bi obetimi arise ya through top ho no.
Yeah.
Wo say nipa na ye ma akwan ama wakoye IGP. Enye say aban na nkasa hwehwem no no ampen nkrofo. Because yen nkasa politics na nkasa yen ase democracy na Ghana yen ase. Now sister because you can be about what you talk on madam
what I'm talking no deal.
You see Ghana politics no air time. Okay? Nti obi bia no obenya position no. Or person onya ade e bitimi afavor no. To be honest with you, few years back we share serious cases a call Supreme Court. Now you will be clear wouldn't law. But why do you move the horse said me madri with the hoye? Now here in some Supreme Court, now her judgment a buyer. Or because no it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Until a ban on war position and send be a court to be a bakukra man tia see that.
Any last minute,
about say or birth certificate into me improve so we again.
Your birthright.
And this is where we do that thing. Never made sense, and up to now, no, it still doesn't make sense to me. Okay, then be birth certificate and nipa no citizenship.
As me require passport.
Even the Ghana card and the crown in that time, no.
Yes.
Yeah, the birth certificate is Ghana card.
Sure.
Now yeah, there's a Ghana card now require passport. So why do you tell me say birth certificate ain't me improve my identity as a citizen of the country? The no crown say I buy no opposition. And no maybe what said I make us make sense to me. So I know so it be make sense to them to non crofo no ade we no. Omuru ni say because say etia yentia. The any chance e be you mafiri wo.
But nana also me ade be ham you na say na me per passport ama obi. Na almost me nkofa birth set bad birth set mra. And I say na Ghana card na wo mo ye no me kai say omoji all birth set ni nyama nyina no a factor no into the Ghana card. Na adenti no mo sa pe birth cert bio.
The TN say your system no enye integrated.
The system is not well integrated.
It is not well integrated because ubetimi akọ office bi na wakọ na take you biometrics no bi bia. Na was another office anka office say system is integrated da. Enka wakọ anya afi na akọ tipo bi bi ka onya don say bi so automatically no information ni nyina no na nka omo nsa account. The system is not very integrated. Me ni mo bi anipa no wa kontu. Oye again ni a ono what you kwa buruchiri as oye citizen okuru no. Nti sa akuru no woso na omo maka omo nya dual citizenship ti no edin kan no esa o Ghana de no esa o de to nchen ansa na wa be citizen okuru no so. Okay? He did the whole thing like that. But later about Ghana now open passport and so no, it was easy for him say obetimi nya wa bra the information ya order that Ghana bibia poni ho. So it's surprising, but the TN say o question obi na making your institutions in adwuma.
Institutions in
the manipulation is just too much
by the executive.
Not necessarily by the executives, no. You say judiciary say you have 3 arms of government.
Yes.
The judiciary no ha.
Legislature no ha.
Legislature was say and the executive. So I mean saying nyina no is manipulated by the executives. Even the legislature can say again so your other political parties will no. Still now they manipulate them. Because the omo yen say omunya individuals bi no mu nsem bi a omo mpese beba abonten ntie bi a ye kwakọ vote or bill bi so na yi a na sa wo no ma na waje se omo pese obi bi no ma kese wo ye ni we o wan hwe yi na o de kwa abode ko say be you say. So at the end of the day no obebi sa ho say ye kwakọ ye levy Ghana fo ahina na pese ade no. Everybody was complaining about levy. But omo tumi ko ye kwakọ pass money ye adwuma. And I say 38. See, Ghana, your system no messed up.
Ghana, your system no,
it's a messed up one because of that levy no. Now me follow pa keenly because be a me use more money pa.
Okay.
Professor no pa. A man for me sending more money mom me catch the yembe show.
Hey.
Oh no, be after me pay 200, me slow, me pay 500, me pay 800 like that. And no kodan chen the one kasa all responsibility for parents no money if you send some until a day mobile money ameye no is serious until time na no person pass 11 no it is something I never supported so let me follow the keenly now here even the final day na say ye call na ya pass o he de koko si o parliament ho NDC for no boycott to ye on boycott to ye no nipa na e wo ho a ba ko bi bo ha am say lady bi ko ho mo say adwa safo.
Yeah, Joseph.
So what's our lady now? So lady then so Joseph no Joseph. No, the pictures about one thing.
Oh yes, about one thing.
Meaning say maybe Joseph wo ho fine, but our lady then the picture about one thing say Joseph you know. We all know her. So that woman was not her. So Joseph ni what they are. Why na kokko share mu kokko to abanti etimi gi 11 2 mo no.
But later Joseph be kasa say that you know.
So picture no.
Aye.
So picture no no. Picture make okay.
Okay, pa. Picture no.
There was a picture that came out. I know be I say Sani Pagwin Ajwasafo. I mean no Ajwasafo no kroma. That picture to me no was not her. ba e ko si say tobe saa na ye gya na bibia ha ko giagu so oman na nkasa no the way ye mra no fa so e ye adwuma meka say na dwuma ye na nhyada mba adwuma ye ndi system no de say e say ye see overhauling pa na yetimi yiyi no mebere etugu nti aban na nkasa no say and this the wa aban mu a you be surprised to know say MPP for MP say what parliament ho na e say nka omo play omo part as opposition MPs no say bi omo ko mo ntosho omo a omo ntimi nkasa no and this is here we do say as na MPs who power so there were some few NDC MPs who almost the same thing nti e ba na sa na e bere na oman na timi akoyie at the end of the day nti media to be honest with you say ye constitutional na ye ka say be a power no ye droning na akwa executive it is not only the executives no enya executives no nko say wo hwe legislature ho de ye ko ye say me ni ko ho o hwe judiciary say me ye ni ko ho na Ghana for ye citizen kasa na ye nkasa na ye wase ha no ye say must be part of the whole thing because at the end of the day what I know is that we call the civilized country they say be a US no money omo say bi omo bu omo electorate na say be e ko pass bill bi a omo nkasa eye omo town hall meeting na omo gege ideas for omo nkrofo na omo to ba omo no ho because the point is that you the MP no represent eye wo constituency and nti say wo represent the constituency na say yes bi o ye ko kan asem we a you have to go back there and get their own understanding of the kodem person mo ye no now the omo ka no na wo de no ko but Ghana how many times na ye MPs no omo ko back to baby e to aba mo no ye twen 4 years ni ya be so a
no
everything on bedroom hu bia na your mubotom I'm being sincere with you